Hello friends, in this video we will talk about extraocular muscles with the applied aspect. So what we will discuss, introduction, the extraocular muscles, their origin, insertion, everything, and the applied aspect. So extraocular muscles, what do you mean by it? Extra is outside, ocular is oculus or the eye, muscles, these are the structures. So the muscles which are attaching outside the eye or outside the oculus, they are called extraocular muscles. So total 7 muscles are there, please remember. Okay, this is a diagram to show you all the 7 muscles we can appreciate. We have the so we will divide into groups. Recti, oblique and LPS is loan. I'll tell you what is LPS in a short while. So, what are the 4 recti? Superior, inferior, lateral, medial. Please remember this is lateral side, medial side, superior and inferior. 2 oblique is there, superior, inferior oblique. And LPS is there, that is called levator palpebrae superioris. Let's see this table where we have the origin, insertion, everything. It's very easy. So first I'll tell you the recti, superior, inferior, lateral and medial. So if you remember, function of one muscle, other muscle is exactly opposite. For LPS, it will not be the case, that you have to remember separately. So superior rectus. So please remember all the recti muscles. I am telling you, all the recti muscles are coming from common tendinous ring, which is also called annulus of Zinn. So from the Zinn's ring, all the recti muscles will come. They will insert only into one point, that is sclera behind the cornea. That's all. I repeat, all the recti muscles coming from Zinn's ring will insert into the sclera here behind the cornea. Now coming to the oblique muscles are totally different. So superior oblique is coming from the body of the sphenoid, inferior oblique is coming from the nasolacrimal groove. This is the nasolacrimal groove. From there inferior oblique muscle will come. Superior oblique is body of the sphenoid bone, that is the greater wing of the sphenoid. Okay, yeah. But insertion is very easy. This oblique will insert below their recti. Oblique will insert below their recti. Like for superior, it is superior rectus. For inferior, it is inferior rectus. That's all. Okay, that's all. Now, LPS, levator palpebrae superioris. So it is coming from the lesser wing of sphenoid. Remember L as in less. So lesser wing of sphenoid, inserting into the tarsal plate of the skin of upper eyelid. So here, the eyelids, your beautiful eyelids we are seeing here. This is the muscle, levator palpebrae superioris, insertion, tarsal plate of the skin of upper eyelid. Okay, nerve supply very easy. I'll give you a simple mnemonic, that is LR6SO4 rest 3. I repeat, LR6 SO4 rest 3. LR as in lateral rectus, 6 as in abducens. SO, okay, that is superior oblique supplied by 4 trochlear and rest 3. What is the rest 3? Rest of the muscles. So LR6SO4 rest 3. Action is very easy. Superior rectus, elevation, intorsion. Opposite for inferior rectus. That's it. Medial rectus is adduction. Once again, I am repeating. Medial rectus, adduction. Adduction, you are adding something. Lateral rectus, opposite. LPS, from the muscle itself, the answer is there. Levator, elevation. Palpebrae, palpebral part of eyelid. Superioris, above. So it elevates the upper eyelid like this. Okay. And superior oblique. Superior oblique is intorsion. Inferior oblique opposite. That is extorsion. That's all. Let's see the applied aspect here. Horner syndrome is very important. So please remember these 4 features which I am going to tell you now. Very, very, very important. Ptosis. meiosis, anhydrosis, ophthalmos. Ptosis is drooping of eyelid. Have we come across another important disease where we are seeing this? Let me know in the comment section in what other disorder you are going to see ptosis. Let me know your answers in comment section. And meiosis. Myo is muscle. What is the muscle here? Pupil. Pupil is a muscle. Constriction of the pupil. Ophthalmos here. And anhydrosis. Hydrosis is what? The watery fluid. That is the lacrimal fluid. Okay. And this absence. So it's the absence of the lacrimal fluid. Have we come across this feature somewhere? Again, I would like to know your answers in the comment section. Where else you have seen absence of the lacrimal fluid? Okay. Right. So once again, I'm repeating very important features. Ptosis, anhydrosis, meiosis, and ophthalmos. That's all. Next, let us see with oculomotor, trochlear, and adjacent lesions. Okay. So please remember this first point what I'm going to tell you. In third, fourth and sixth nerve lesion, squint and diplopia is common. Okay. Please remember this. Squint and diplopia is common for third, fourth and sixth nerve lesion. Okay. So what will be the difference? In third nerve, especially important points will be the proptosis, that is the relaxation of all the muscles of eyeball. I'll give you an easy way to remember. There is a very famous quotation, that is, all play no work makes Jack a dull boy. Like that. So this is what is proptosis. If you only relax, when will you work? Right? Right. Aneurysm. I told you in Circle of Willis video. Please go and check that. That is nothing but, I'll repeat once again. Anytime you come across aneurysm, please remember that it is the compression of the arteries. Mainly, please remember these two arteries. Posterior cerebral and superior cerebellar arteries. And squint is important. Mostly lateral squint will be there. And accommodation reflex. What is this? It is the inability of the eye to focus on the object. The power of the lens is reduced. Okay? Right. So I told you the squint diplopia is common for all the three nerves, lesions. What will be the differences? We will see. For fourth nerve, extra will remember extorsion and downward gaze. Have we come across this downward gaze somewhere? Okay, let me know your answer in the comment section. Okay, where you have seen this feature, downward gaze. Okay, right. Okay, so this is the thing regarding the nerve lesions. So references from where I took the images. And now this brings us to the end of the video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.